Can you tell us whether it is your opinion as to whether or not Mr. Chauvin's actions played any role in the death of Mr. Floyd during the subdual, restraint, and compression on the ground?
I'm going down. I'm not gonna run, man. Right. I know I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
You're talking and you can't breathe. Oxygen to not so you can't breathe.
I just had COVID, man. I can't breathe. Okay.
Do you observe that in that instance?
Yes.
Did it appear to you that Mr. Chauvin had a tight, firm grip around Mr. Floyd's neck?
No, actually it looked very loose, and the hand was actually gripping the back of the neck in this sort of spinal column area with a considerable gap in the front.
Thank you, Doctor. I have no further questions.
Any further, Mr. Blackwell?
Yes, Your Honor. Dr. Fowler, just for a point of clarification, you've been asked a couple of rounds of questions about the drugs found in Squad 320. To be clear, what we're talking about is one pill, right?
I cannot recall if it's one or two, but it was one of those two numbers, yes.
One partially dissolved pill, right?
I thought it was two, but I stand corrected, Councillor.
And in the back of Squad 320, you didn't see any footage of Mr. Floyd spitting a pill out, did you?
No, I did not.
Now, you asked questions about the measurements of the EELV, and I think you arrived at the conclusion with Mr. Nelson that there could have been theoretical measurements made. Did you make any theoretical measurements of the EELV as a part of your analysis in this case?
No, I did not.
I want to ask you about, again, the 9 minutes and 29 seconds. The last 9 minutes and 29 seconds of Mr. Floyd's life during the subdual and the restraint. To be sure I understand your testimony. So if we focus just on the period of time when Mr. Floyd is on the ground, the subdual, the restraint, and the neck compression, can you tell us whether it is your opinion as to whether or not Mr. Chauvin's actions played any role in the death of Mr. Floyd during the subdual, restraint, and compression on the ground?
Objection beyond the scope.
Sustained.
Can you tell us whether it's your view that Mr. Floyd's passing after the 9 minutes and 29 seconds was coincidental and unrelated to the subdual and restraint on the ground?
Objection beyond the scope.
Sustained.
No further questions for you.
All right. Thank you, Doctor. You are excused.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.